physical loving. Oh, I gotta call like a video, Shanane. Hey, you need some little pampering. Tomuko no mukugo bumanyiche kukora. Kitake wa crochet master. Yakuku kamo viri kati master.
Maurice, the crochet master.
Right, yes, welcome. Yes, still Happy New Year. My name is Maurice, the crochet master, and welcome to my channel. Yes, this is Maurice, the crochet master's channel, and I would like to welcome everyone who is watching me right now, wherever you are. Just know that I love you so much. And those who are still new, please make sure that you should always consider the red button, ring the bell, that you subscribe, so that we can always keep in touch by learning most of the trending hairstyles, protective and still very unique, because this is the channel that you find a lot of hairstyles that you need to know. Because for me, I don't specialize in something. I make sure that at least I learn all hairstyles, and the way I learn them, that's how I always want to give them to you, so that you can also be like me. Yes. And I would like to thank everyone who is joining my membership. Yes. And I still want to make a special package for you guys, so just wait for it. So if you're still there and you haven't joined us, just know you're gonna miss a lot of things. And this is where you always ask something, and then you get it, because most of the times the comments that are loud. So when you're in my membership, it's always very easy for me to do that. So now let's try to see these finger calls. And this time around, I'm not going to be showing the steps, the word, because now everyone is trying to see the video how we're trying to do it. Though I'm going to be trying to explain all the procedures that you need to use when you're going to do these the finger coils. Yes, number one, the people with straight hair, very sorry. Straight laxed hair, very sorry. You cannot achieve this. It is only those ones with natural hair. So those ones who will be those ones who were ready to ask me that question of maybe if they have straight hair can achieve this hairstyle. It is wrong. You may not achieve it. So now you have to be having the natural hair. And another thing, even if it is short or long, still you can have it. You can still have it. Yes, trust me, you can still have it. So we started with the washing. Obviously we need to wash and we treat our hair at the first place, and those are the things that we all know and we have learned all that. Maybe if there's anyone who don't know how to do that, I'll be able also to teach you how you can wash your natural hair, treat it, and how you can still maintain it. I'll be able to show you that. So any question about that, you can still go in my comment section, tell me, ask about all that, and I'll be there to answer. So now we started with a washing treatment, and then we came like this. So when you reach here after washing, doing the treatment, then someone is not supposed to blow dry. Yes, you just have to leave the hair wet. No blow drying, no. Maybe you can even if you don't comb it. Yes, you can see the hair is not combed, but you just washed and with the treatment. So then you just get your eco gel. Some people have been asking me about these eco gel. They are different, so maybe let me try to show you this picture. That's how you will get it. This is the eco gel that I mean. And then those ones who don't have the eco gel, you can always, or you can also use the molding gel, and this is how it looks. yes, it is also very okay. But mostly eco gel is better, so you can use that. And just because there are some people have been telling me that whenever I use the eco gel, for me, the hair, it developed that white thing. It developed the whitish. People have been asking me about that question, but I think it's about the type of a gel that you use, because I think when you get the real eco gel that I use, it doesn't bring that, because I used it myself and I didn't see the white thing. The way you can see them here after doing all that, trust me, they disappear. You don't see them anymore. So we use that eco gel plus the molding gel anyway if you want one of them, but mostly eco gel is better. Eco gel is better. And then when you're done with that, you just have to come with you start patting according to how you want the design of your finger coils them to be. So maybe let's try to look at the details and you see how you're supposed to start it. And this is how we just separate it. You get a small portion of it, and then you roll it with when you're applying the eco gel, just like that. I know she's trying to be speedy here, but we can get something very small so that you can see it is the detail. And sometimes the natural hair for it, it's always whenever we moisturize it, it takes it how can I explain it, absorbs the water very soon, like so you just have to keep on spraying some water there as you're rolling it in the sun. You don't need to make it when it is dry, so you should always try to splash some water there. So when you're done with that, all the other steps that we are going to be we're going to be following. So these finger coils, they can last for like a month. Yes, mostly if you know how to treat them right. And treating them right, it's nothing. Not You don't need a lot of things. It's just when you wake up early in the morning, you just have to splash there some water. And when you splash the some water, trust me, you'll achieve the same look. And if it's like a month, it's when the growth now comes. And when the growth comes, you know what we supposed to do. At least we also have to treat that growth, the one that is growing, so that our hair can always be healthy. So that's why I'm saying, like, at least a month is fine, and then you can go and wash them out. Washing is very, very simple. They can come out as soon as possible, as long as you have the all these. If you do the same steps, the wash, the treatment, plus the detangler. Even if you don't have a detangler, so you can use your water and plus the conditioner. It comes out for it. It's not like these other things that we've been doing. So don't get scared that maybe if you do it, it may not come out, like it may not untangle itself to to get back your hair. No, you can get back your hair. So this is how it looks. And you can see it. So those ones who have long hair, they can really achieve that volume. And those ones who have little hair, they always complain sometimes. Maybe someone expect to have like my hair like this volume, but when you have little hair in your hair, still they will come out when there are very few. That's when someone would complain about that. So when you're done with that, you're just trying to spray there a holding spray, and then you put your net. You understand? You put a net. After putting a net, most of the times whenever we do this, you always know the next step what we're supposed to do. So you just pull this net following the direction of the hair, so like the way you try to arrange them. Let me say you try to do it a side way, or maybe you made a line on it when you're trying to finger curl them. Still, you just have to follow that style, that shape. Then you add this net. After adding the net, just knowing that you just have to do it slowly by slowly, so that you don't spoil the design that you're trying to do. And when you're done with that, yeah, the next step, the next step, we just have to make sure we hold also this to put it there. Then after using that, that's when we can also try to make sure that after holding it, we put in a dryer. Yes, we put in the dryer. Then for some like 10 to 15 minutes, someone will be able to come out, depending on the length of the hair, because now mine's a bit longer. It cannot be like these short ones, so you just get you measure accordingly to the hair, the volume. Yes, the time that you do. So this is what it looks, and yes, I like my look, and at least I'm going to have it for some time. Yes, I'm going to have it for some time, and yeah, I'll be very fun. So for now, guys, I'm gonna sign up. I just know I love you so much. This is Maurice, the Crochet Master, and please make sure that you continue subscribing so that we make this, me and you. Bye bye. See you guys.
Changu, you are crochet master.